You squeal like a little girl.
Do you like it? That's from Olivia.
Thank you.
It's so cute,
What
Olivia.
else is here? Look.
So start it.
Yeah. Yeah, you can rip it, Rye. Isn't that weird?
This is the best ever.
Rip it open.
He says, I don't understand. They always yell at me when I do this.
It's like the cake smash. He's like, wait, what do you
Wait,
mean?
I'm allowed? Look at his face. Are you sure we could do this?
Okay, you can open them for him, Olivia.
Right, you make that outfit look good.
Mm-hmm.
You looking handsome.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, you can keep
Go
ripping.
ahead, rip it.
Oh, what's here?
Ooh.
Uh-oh.
I love those shoes.
Oh, what do we have?
Look at those.
What?
Those look
Oh,
I know.
cool, huh? Well, the paper's even
We may have to
cooler.
wear his old movies today.
Yeah, it's okay.
Now, I ordered some stuff off
I might
the-
just put him in those other ones that you gave him, just because
I
then he
ordered,
can move
Oh, yeah.
I
around.
ordered the stuff off the
Which
Target.
one should he
Jesse.
wear?
Uh-huh.
From the birthday stuff you had.
Yeah.